Hi, amigas. Let's make carne en su jugo Jalisco style. This is like a soup with bacon, ham, and steak, topped with like a green sauce. So here we are slicing up our petite sirloin steaks into little strips. You can cut it up into strips or just chunks, whatever you'd like. I like the strips. And we're seasoning it up. Fabian's helping us. I wish I had sound, but somehow I didn't record the sound. So it's purely my voice that you're hearing right now, which I feel so sorry for you. I'm sorry. Okay. And Fabian's seasoning up his steak because he is not going to have carne en su jugo. Now we're going to peel and clean our tomatillos. This can be about 6 tomatillos. Tomatillos are like a tiny green tomato. They're a little bit on the sour and bitter side. And most green sauces are tomatillo based. So if you've ever had green sauce, you've had tomatillos. We're having a good amount of cilantro for the limpia. No. And then some onion. You could use the whole onion. I only used half. You can't go wrong with more onion. I don't know why. I feel like I'm not a big onion fan, so I only put half in most of my recipes, but you could definitely add the whole onion. Like, it won't hurt you. Peel back the skin, the onion skin. No sean cochinas, no sean golosas. All right, there we go. We're peeling it back and we're putting it in there. Now we're going to throw in our jalapeno. We're cutting it in half and just throwing it in. Now our garlic, about 3 to 4 peeled garlic cloves. Yep. Porque we like garlic here. Like, we're vampiro vibes, so we are like garlic. Oh wait, vampiros don't like garlic, so we're not vampiro vibes. Now we're gonna do some salt or some seasoning salt and some water, and we're gonna blend it until smooth. You can always taste it when it comes to a boil and add more salt if you need, or more seasoning salt, whatever you season with. Some people season with chicken bouillon, like you guys see. I don't. We're going to grab some bacon. We got our steak, and we're going to fry up some ham. This is diced ham. I just got a packet of it at the store, and we're going to fry it up in our big old pan, and we're going to stay in this pan. Everything's moving over. Now we're going to fry our bacon. Some of my video clips are out of order, but they'll make sense nonetheless, so bear with me. Now we're frying up our carne. You want your meat super fried. Like, fry it up. Make sure it's got nice and toasty. And that bacon, you want it super crispy, so fry it up, okay? Perfect. The reason I don't add a lot of onion is because I do add green onions to this recipe. So we're just making sure that that meat is getting nice and fried. Carne en su jugo in Guadalajara is a staple. This last time we were in Mexico, we actually went to Camilo's, which is a super famous like carne en su jugo restaurant in Guadalajara. They make bomb, but I make it good too, so I don't know. So here the meat is all nice and fried. And we're going to start moving it over into our other pan. Right, move it over. Carne en su jugo in English means meat in its juice. And the reason that they call it that is because you're putting all those different meats in the broth, and it's nice and brothy and soupy and jugoso. So, carne en su jugo. My mouth is watering, I'm not going to lie. And plus, I haven't had dinner. So let me know if you've ever had carne en su jugo before in the comments, or if you are willing to try it. It's actually really delicious, especially for like a quick, meaty, cold day where you're just like, I want something like hearty but like warm. This is perfect. All right, now that I moved most of my carne over. Okay, I don't know why I recorded myself doing all this. All right, now we're going to throw in our green sauce that we blended up, and we're going to bring all of that ham and carne. And now we're adding some fresh pinto beans a la olla, de la olla. But if you don't have fresh, because some people don't make their fresh pinto beans, you can add can and just add the whole can with the juice that's in it. Yum. Perfect. Now, I kind of went back. The video kind of got, but this is actually fine because we're going to saute our green onions that are going to go into that broth. We're going to saute them in bacon grease. And they're just going to go into our broth and our soup. All right. Now we're adding some cilantro, and we're just going to let it keep cooking for about another 5 minutes while we warm up our tortillas. And there's our bacon, nice and crispy. We're going to dice up some avocados with some lime and some salt as like a puree almost. I like it a little chunkier, so I don't puree it all the way. I kind of just slightly smash it, but very yummy. This is also a topping to this dish. I'm used to like speeding up my videos, so the fact that it's not fast is like, I can actually talk. All right, now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and half a lime. The lime's just to stop it from turning brown on us. Smash it up. I like it a little bit on the chunkier side. All right, now we're gonna warm up some tortillas. Corn tortillas are my favorite with this, but you could definitely do flour if you'd like. And we're gonna serve a plate. This is a plate I was serving for Julian. I like to serve my plate in my traditional plato de barro, which is how they serve it in Mexico. We're gonna put the crispy bacon on top and a little tortilla on the side. And put in our spoon. And I always put a fork on the side because you always are left with like, but I don't really know why I put the fork there, to be honest, because you could use a spoon. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Bye.